Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a card using paper. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a piece of cardstock, which is thicker than regular paper, along with a pair of sharp scissors and a ruler. Don't forget your decorative items like colorful markers, stickers, or even some glitter to add a personal touch. Make sure your workspace is clear and ready. Now, let's create the basic shape of your card. Take your cardstock and carefully fold it exactly in half. You can use a ruler to help you get a perfectly straight crease, which makes a big difference in the final look. After folding, check for any uneven edges and trim them neatly with your scissors. This ensures your card has a professional and clean appearance. With your card base ready, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Let your creativity shine as you adorn the front of your card. You can draw a picture, add some colorful stickers, or even glue on small embellishments. Inside, write a thoughtful message that suits the occasion. Remember, a handmade card is special because of the personal touch you add to it. To complete your beautiful handmade card, ensure all glue and ink are completely dry. This prevents smudges and keeps your design crisp. Store your card flat until you're ready to give it, so it stays in perfect condition. For a polished presentation, you might want to find a matching envelope. Your recipient will surely appreciate the effort and thought you put into it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.